If you find a shopkeeper who's really working hard to make a good profit, if you find him in the morning in his favorite temple, you'll see a gopi in disguise of an Agrawal. A gopi in disguise of an Agrawal. You're friendly, for you we make no profit, Agrawal, in the shop. You see him in a different light when he's worshipping his Thakur and Kartik and going to Mangalartik and 4 times Parikramad and chanting so many stutis and stotrams and tilak on the forehead and dhoti and everything. You say, oh, huh? Who is this? I said, yes, I'm also a devotee, you know. It's the most eye-opening experience I ever had when I lived in Sevakunj for 3 years. And I really changed my opinion. A lot of people that I knew, Vrishvasis, I knew them in the marketplace, but I didn't know them in the eyes of Krishna. I only knew them in the eyes of my prejudice and subjective view. But when I saw them through the eyes of Krishna, then I understood that, oh, indeed, this is their dharma and their duty, but actually their hearts are tied to the lotus feet of Radha Damodar, or their hearts are tied to the lotus feet of Radha Raman, or their hearts are tied to the lotus feet of Radha Shyam or Banki Bihari.